Welcome to one of Kentucky's most extraordinary legacy estates, where history, luxury, and complete privacy come together in a way few properties ever can. Known as the Bourbon Harrison Estate, this remarkable residence offers more than 7,000 square feet of living space, surrounded by breathtaking countryside, creating an unforgettable retreat that has been shaped by centuries of Kentucky history. If you've ever dreamed of owning a property that's as significant as it is beautiful, today's tour is one you won't want to miss. Perfectly positioned along the Harrison and Bourbon County line, this custom-built estate was designed to embrace its spectacular surroundings. As you step inside, expansive windows flood the home with natural light while framing panoramic views of rolling farmland in every direction. The dramatic two-story great room immediately captures your attention, with soaring ceilings, an overlook balcony, and 4 glass doors that open seamlessly onto the wraparound porch, creating an incredible indoor-outdoor connection that's perfect for entertaining or simply enjoying the peaceful landscape. Adding even more character is one of the home's most unique features, a dedicated music room designed with exceptional acoustics. Whether you're a musician, enjoy hosting performances, or simply appreciate incredible sound quality, this remarkable space creates an atmosphere unlike anything found in a typical country estate. Throughout the home, quality craftsmanship and thoughtful design are evident at every turn, combining timeless architecture with modern comfort. The chef-inspired kitchen was built for both everyday living and large gatherings, featuring granite countertops, an oversized center island, a spacious butler's pantry, and direct access to the elegant formal dining room. The luxurious main-level primary suite provides a true private retreat, complete with a clawfoot soaking tub, walk-in shower, private water closet with bidet, oversized walk-in closet, and spa-inspired finishes designed for complete relaxation. The walkout lower level adds exceptional flexibility, making it ideal for extended family, guests, or a private in-law suite. Outside, the estate transforms into your own private resort, a sparkling saltwater swimming pool,